how to make your Snapchat text huge or tiny. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss our updates. Now, Snapchat has introduced a new feature to make your text either huge or tiny, whatever you wish. So, I'll teach you in just a few simple steps. First and foremost, open up your Snapchat and then go to the chat where you want to send the text. Tap on any text that you want, and then you will see a small up arrow and down arrow beside the hi option on the message bar. So what you have to do is just tap on it and hold it for a while, and if you want to enlarge your text, then you have to drag your finger up while holding the option, and if you want to make it tiny, you have to drag it down. And that's it. You can just release to send, and there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.